Independence Day speech for kids. Here are 15 short and sweet Independence Day speeches for kids. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Today we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August 1947. India became free. Let's remember our freedom fighters and be proud of our country. Happy Independence Day. 2. Dear friends, today is Independence Day. We got our freedom on this day. Let's honor the sacrifices of our heroes and always be proud of India. Jai Hind. Respected teachers and friends, today we celebrate Independence Day. Our country became free on this day. Let's be proud and work together to make India strong. Jai Hind. Good morning all. Today is a special day. Our Independence Day. We got freedom in 1947. Let us thank our leaders and promise to make India great. Happy Independence Day. Number 5. Hello everyone. Independence Day is here. We remember the brave hearts who fought for our freedom. Let's be good citizens and make India proud. Happy Independence Day. Dear friends, today is Independence Day. Our country became free in 1947. Let's always respect our freedom and work to make India better. Happy Independence Day. Good morning. Today is Independence Day, a day of pride for all Indians. Let's honor our freedom fighters and strive to be the best we can for our country. Jai Hind. Good morning. Number 8. Good morning. Today we celebrate the freedom of our country. On this day, India became free. Let's remember the sacrifices of our leaders and be proud to be Indian. Jai Hind. Respected teachers and friends, today is a special day, Independence Day. On this day, we became free. Let's pledge to keep our country strong and united. Happy Independence Day. Number 10. Hello friends, today is Independence Day. On this day, we got freedom. Let's thank our freedom fighters and always our country. Happy Independence Day. Number 11. Good morning everyone. Today is Independence Day, a day to remember our heroes. Let's be proud of our country and work together to make India great. Jai Hind. Dear friends, today is a proud day, our Independence Day. We became free on this day in 1947. Let's work together to make India a better place. Jai Hind. Respected teachers and friends, today we celebrate our Independence Day. On this day, India became free. Let's be proud of our country and always do our best for it. Jai Hind. Number 14. Good morning. Today is Independence Day. We remember our freedom fighters that made our country free. Let's promise to make India strong and united. Happy Independence Day. Number 15. Good morning everyone. Today is a special day, our Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. Let's always respect our country and work hard to make it great. Happy Independence Day.